Heddiw, da ni ym Blaenau Ffestiniog, dinas y Llechi nôl rhai, ardal sy'n enwog am drefn bach, ond heddiw da ni'n trafeilio mewn ffordd wahanol, hen gerbyd milwrol. Da ni wedi dod yma i Llechwedd i ddysgu am sut oedd y chwarel yn gweithio, ac ar ôl dringo i llwybrau serth i fyny'r man uchaf, fe welon yr olion un o'r felinau oedd yn trin y Llechi.
And we can say this because the stonework, or the slate work, is all dressed in a way. There's no saw marks on it at all.
O'r topiau mae'r olygfa'n yn arbennig, a mawredd y tirwedd o ddiwydiannol yn cwmpas. Wrth i ni bori dros hen luniau o'r felin, mae'r creithiau diwydiannol yn amlwg. Ond i gael y darlun llawn, mae rhaid chwilio'n dyfnach.
Welcome to the mining world of the 1850s, or thereabouts, give or take either way, and we'll see that as we go along.
I was convinced that deep beneath Llechwedd I would find the marked substance, and in huge quantities. So in 1846 I availed myself of the lease on the land above our heads and hired a gang of local men to dig and dig and dig again.
John Whitehead Greaves came looking for the old vein, or blue vein I like calling it, and he will correct me on this one. Roughly about 1830 started looking, and they did find it eventually.
Rydym yn clywed llysiau'r caban a chablas ar waith y chwarel tan ddaear. Dawn amlwg ar unwaith pa mor galed a pheryglus oedd yr amgylchiadau hyn.
It's not as though there are ladies present.
Well, no, of course there aren't. You know as well as I do that women would bring nothing but bad luck if they should ever come down here. And we need all the luck we can get.
I would once have agreed with you, Howard, but my lungs are getting so bad now. I can't help feeling that my luck has already run out.
Strike the hole, and then we twist. And then we twist it. Once we're on the rock face, with our legs up nice and tight now, the links will hold you up between the legs. Do you know what you want that?
Wrth i'n ddod yn ôl i fyny'r presennol, sŵn chwerthin sy'n atseinio'r greithiau esiampwyr heddiw, a cyfle i ninau hefyd ymuno yn y bwrlwm.